Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fill up cash deposit slip in HDFC Bank. This is deposit slip. So first you have to start from this date. Okay. So write the current date. If you are going to deposit money today, write today date. Okay. Suppose if you are going to deposit money tomorrow, write tomorrow date. Okay. So here I write date. Okay. 14. Okay. First write date, then month, then year. Okay. Then you have to write account name here. Your bank account number. If you have account number in any HDFC bank, just write your full account number here. Okay, so I write my account number here. Okay, write full account number. Then suppose if you are going to use credit card number instead of account number, you have to write your credit card number here. Okay, if you have return account number, no need to write credit card number. If you have both account number and credit card number, you don't need to mention both. Okay, suppose if you are going to deposit money using credit card only, then write your credit card number here. Okay, otherwise don't need. Okay, it is enough to write account number. Then here loan account number. Suppose if you have any loan account number, just you have to tick here and write loan account number instead of the saving account number or current account number. Suppose if you are using loan account number and in that loan account, if you are going to deposit money, just write your loan account number here. Okay, otherwise leave it. Okay, then come here, write your contact number. So this is your personal contact number right here. Okay, I write my number 7010379240. Then write PAN number here. If you are going to deposit money more than 50,000, write PAN card number, otherwise don't need. So here I write my PAN card number AEZ PPD 96002. Okay, then write your name here. So you have to write the name of the account holder number. Okay, suppose if you are going to deposit money to your friend account number or other person account, you should not write your own name here. Okay, so the name should be the account holder number, irrespective of who is depositing the money. Okay, so write account number here, account holder name, write in capital letter. Okay, then here you have to write the denominations. Suppose if you are going to deposit money with various notes like 500 notes, 200 notes, 100 notes, 50, 20, 10, then you have to mention how much you have for particular rupees. Okay, for example, I am going to deposit 60,000. Okay, so if I have 500 notes, I should write how much 500 I have. So here I would like to write 100. Okay, so 100 multiplied by 500 notes equal to 50,000. So write total here. Then remaining 10,000, how much you have, how much notes you have. Suppose if you have 240 notes, means 80,000. Suppose if you don't have any 100, just put dash. Then if you have any 50, write here. So if you have suppose 40 50, it means 40 into 50 equal to 2000. Okay, so 60,000 tallied. And if you don't have nothing more, just put dash and write total here. Okay, so total is 60,000. Okay, then here you don't need to write anything. It is for check. Suppose if you are going to deposit money using check, you don't need to fill up this, and you have to write the check number here. Okay, you can use one or more check. Okay, so here you have to write total. Okay, in words. Okay, this is in digit. Okay, here you have written in digit. The same you should have written here as text. Okay, so 60,000. Okay, 60,000 only. Okay, right, like that. And here you have to write the depositor name. Okay, suppose if you are going to deposit your own account, write your own name here. Suppose if you are going to deposit to other person account number, other person name will be here, and your name should be written here. So this is the name who is depositing money to the bank. Okay, so write your name. Okay, that is a depositor name. Okay, okay, then here you have to put your signature. Okay, not account holder's signature. Okay, suppose account holder is different, just you have to write here. Okay, you have to put your signature. Okay, then here you don't need to put any signature. This is for bank. Okay, in a similar way here also you have to write. Okay, so here write your date first. Okay, then account number, the same account number should be written here also. Okay, so 0. Okay, credit card number no, then loan account number no. Here write total 60,000, then in words 60,000 only. Then write your name here. Okay, put signature. Okay, then give this slip with record cash, that is 60,000 to bank cashier, and they will count and check, and they will take entry, and your money will be deposited within 2 minutes to your set account number here. Okay, and bank official will keep one copy with this bank, with that is this copy, this is bank copy, and this is customer copy. This copy will be handed over to you, and you can keep this copy as a reference for this deposit. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.